Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2012 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive 6.7 diesel. It's got 11-foot nap-hide service body, 3,200 pound IMT crane, VMAX engine-driven air compressor. It's got several sets of slide-out tool shelves. It's a Southern truck with no rust. One owner out of Texas. It belonged to Union Pacific Railroad. 235,000 miles on it. Walk around and show it to you. Manual windows. VMAX. Enclosed, it slides forward, air hose and reel. Hydraulic outrigger, you work that here. Extension out, extension in, counterclockwise, clockwise, range up, down. Outrigger back up. Set tool shelf. I tried to start this thing earlier. This is an older Welder. The choke is kind of sticking on it. So we haven't welded with that thing. Like I said, it's an older one. It's only got 200 hours on it. I'm not guaranteeing you that machine works. So if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50, $1.75 a mile. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board, and we'll wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going to California or New Mexico or New York, wherever you're at. We want to take it for you. I don't have somebody just sitting here at the ready to leave out with it the second you pay for it. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it takes longer. Sometimes it's immediate. People call and pick them up. Just know that, you know, if you're one of those people, you got to know the exact second somebody's going to leave with it, the exact second they're going to arrive with it. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself. You're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday only, 7 to 4 only. We're not open on the weekends at all. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. I can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. All right, with all that said, pretty nice truck here. It's got some nice equipment on it. The windshield, it's going to have a brand new windshield put in it. It's got a couple of stars in it. I didn't know it was in there. Would have done had one put in it, but it will have a new windshield. I guess that's about it. Again, a 12550 two-wheel drive 6.7 diesel, 235 on the miles. Yeah, 3,200 pound crane, VMAC air compressor, welder, set up nice. Thanks for watching.